ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Hi, my name is Rob Clayton. Well, another week starts for the Australian dollar, and already we're in negative grounds. From last week, we saw a very strong bearish posted outside range day, and then prior to that, another outside range day around 78 cents. With the technical signals still in play, although are starting to come to the bottom side of the range or slightly oversold, could see a mild retracement today. However, I still feel the market will press lower towards a target of 73.2530 since the break on Friday of 73.90. Resistance at the moment should be capped around 73.95 to 74.15. And if we see a move further towards the top side, resistance should get harder at 74.60, and only a break of 75.0515 will reinstate the upside, which at this stage looks very unlikely. And I still look for a move lower from the break of 73.90. Now confirms an objective of 71.20 to 71.60 as a potential target. With Euro, since posting the bearish shooting star around that 116 area, the market has still not been able to recover. We're currently trading around 113.95. Looks first for the support of 113.70, and I anticipate that the objective for the start of this week will hold to 113.15.25. And do note, if that is broken, then I'll be looking further down towards 112.20 to 35, which is highlighted in the report. The top side resistance now looks capped around 114.70.80, but firmer at 115.40. The dollar yen still seems to be under wraps for a direction at the moment. However, I feel that the break recently of 107.60 still holds potential pressure to the downside, and at the moment looking towards support around 106.40. If this level goes, then I see further weakness to 105.85.95 and lower towards 105.10.30, which is the objective I'm holding since the break of 107.60. What would turn this completely around if we see a move through 107.60.80? We have seen 3 attempts there, or 4 nearly, and it's not backing away. So I feel the market will open up a little bit stronger. But if we do break that level of 107.80, that would reinstate the rally up towards 108.50.70 to 109 to 110 as an objective. But first of all, let's see if the market today can break above that level. If it fails, then as I say, I'll be looking down towards 106.60 and maybe lower. The story for sterling, well, we had that strong bearish outside range day after rejecting the 147 region, and then Friday we had another outside range day. This in turn suggests that we should see further weakness, and as you can see here, I'm looking for a move towards 143.30 as a target, with minor support at 143.90. If this level breaks, then I don't see any support until around the low 141. And you can see here with the stochastic and the momentum breaking down very heavily, it does imply that further weakness is coming in the next 24 to 48 hours. The top side resistance now comes in around 144.70. And gold, well, it's had three attempts towards that top side of 11300 and doesn't seem to sustain. On the day, I'm looking for further weakness to come through. If we look at the shorter term targets, shorter term hours time frame, is that we are slowly breaking into a negative formation here. On the day, I'll be looking for a move down towards 1,278 and lower down to 1,270, with an objective holding around 1,260. Any return of demand, like previously seen, I feel will be capped around 1,292, and resistance only will be harder as it gets towards that 1,300 level. So to wrap this, Australian dollar still looks like it will test lower in the broader terms, and any upside attempt will fail. Euro and sterling to be weaker after posting the bearish shooting stars, and gold to show some weakness towards a target of 1,260. And really dollar yen needs to get through that level in the next sort of 12 to 24 hours of 107, 60, 80 to get that rally on. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a great day.